My name is Dinesh, and I was introduced to Rakesh through a friend. I called him for the very first time, and then we spoke a little about the project. We scheduled a meeting at his office, and once I was at his office, I was kind of really overwhelmed with all the different options that they had, and they kind of gave me a walkthrough of all the different materials, the designs, the different price points, and the durability of each of the material and so on. So I was really naive. I really did not know that there were so many products that were available in the market, and this was kind of like an eye-opener for me. So once we sat down, we kind of decided on. I kind of gave him all the ideas that I wanted. I kind of showed him various photos and from various websites and stuff. That this is kind of things that I was looking for and so on. He patiently listened to all the different ideas that I had. Then he kind of gave us some suggestions based on how it would be practically viable, and it would maximize the storage and so on. So this were really helpful, and he wanted to keep us within our budget. That kind of really helped. So once we had decided on the various designs, they came up with really nice design plans, and that gave us a clear picture of how it would look like after the finish. So it kind of helped us visualize the various rooms with the cabinets in place, with the shelving and so on. We had, I think they had multiple designs for each of the rooms, so that kind of gave us options, and then we could pick and choose the colors that we liked based on the wall colors, and they were really helpful on that aspect as well. So once the design was finalized and everything, when they started the work, the carpenters, they were kind of really very professional, I would say. They were working many late nights. So our apartment, basically the builder kind of delayed it for a while, and then we were kind of closing in for our, when we had planned for a specific date for our Groppravisam, and we did not have enough time to finish all the work. But Rakesh was, he kind of promised that he would get it done, and he stuck to his word. So that even the night before the Groppravisam, they actually were working late into the night, and I was kind of, the next day morning I thought it would be really messy, but I was really surprised when I came in. Everything was cleaned up, everything was perfect and top notch. Rakesh had made multiple site visits when he was there, and he, being a perfectionist, he would kind of look into every small detail that even we had overlooked and have it corrected. So that was really amazing for him to actually come down in his busy schedule and kind of look at things and so on. So I'm really glad that we had this opportunity to work with them, and I really want to thank Rakesh and his entire team for all the good work that they have done at our place, and I really wish them the very best for all their future projects. Thank you.